Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we are painting some lovely flowers and we're doing it on a canvas of size 8 into 10 inches. So I really love these flowers that I saw a picture of and I wanted to paint them. I thought they looked so lovely and they kind of look similar to the ones in my backyard. I think flowers are a beautiful representation of nature. So I really love flowers, especially lush pink ones. So guys, thanks for watching. Prints of this piece are available for sale on my Instagram. You can contact me there. I'll put the link in the description. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye.